So today I'm going to show you how to buy fractional shares on the Fidelity investing app. Now you can see the app here in real time, so you can follow along step by step. Now there's a couple of different ways to get to the same screen, so just something to keep in mind. The way that we want to go ahead and go through this process is click on the word transact right over here at the very bottom with that green dollar sign. So that's going to go ahead and bring up this pop-up menu. Now if you've been recently searching for that company, you might see it up here at the top, which means you can just go ahead and click right on it. But as a quick example, if you are looking for a new company or ETF, you can go ahead and click on the word trade here with those arrows pointing left and right. And then here on this page, you're going to see some of your open orders, any recent inquiries that you were looking at. And at the very top, you can see your search bar. This is where you can type in the company's full name, their ticker number if you know it, or even the ETF as well. So from here, you can go ahead and click on there. And then we're just going to go with Google as our example here and choose that very top option. That's going to bring you over here to the homepage of Google or whatever stock you are looking at. Now from here, you can see the overview and the research, and you see all of the information for Google itself. You can scroll down and get even more data. Now from here, you can see the word buy at the very bottom, which we're going to go ahead and click on. And that's going to take you to this new trade page over here. And it's currently already toggled on the buy section. Now, the first thing we want to do to be able to change this up, to be able to do it in fractional shares, is going over here where it says the word shares with that little down arrow and click on this. And in this new pop-up menu, you're going to see where it says dollars, and we're going to choose this option. And now this is set to be able to choose how much we want to buy in dollars. Now, because we have a pending order, you can see there's only $1.81 left to purchase. So we're going to go ahead and click the amount and toss any amount that we need. We're going to just choose $1 for today's example. And then the order type is going to be set for our market. Now, if you click on order type over here, you're going to see there is a limit and a market. But for our example today, we want to have this go through as easily as possible. We're going to choose our market. So one thing I do want to mention when it comes to buying fractional shares on the Fidelity app is it does require you to do it during market open. So unfortunately, there is no way for you to set it up for the next day. So just something to keep in mind when going through this process. Now from here, we're going to want to go to the bottom where it says preview and click on this. And then here on the next screen, this is just going to be confirming everything looks good for you. And if it does, at the very bottom, you can click on the word buy. And just like that, you purchase fractional shares on the Fidelity investing app. Now there's more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Fidelity app. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.